Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Microsoft Authenticator app not showing code. Today, you'll learn how to fix a Microsoft Authenticator app not showing code. Start by checking clock synchronization on your device. Set the time and time zone to update automatically, as accurate timing is crucial for generating codes. Next, ensure your Microsoft account is active and correctly sign in. Expired or deleted accounts cannot fetch codes, so relog in if needed. Then update the Microsoft Authenticator app to the latest version via your device's App Store to avoid bugs or compatibility issues. Review the app's permissions by opening App Info, selecting permissions, and enabling all necessary access. Finally, verify that your device has a stable network connection, switch between Wi Fi and mobile data if needed, and relaunch the app to fully sync and restore code generation. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.